The ETS 150 sanders are extremely lightweight and ergonomic, which lowers fatigue when sanding, and have effective dust extraction that removes harmful dust from the working environment. The two models have an option of a 3 or a 5mm orbit where different sanding requirements are needed. 3mm orbit for the best surface finish, and the 5mm orbit for intermediate sanding where more stock removal is required. As sanding jobs can have many different requirements to attain a great result, the ETS sanders have a large accessory system that allows them to be adapted quickly so these jobs can be done easily. The combination of hard, soft, super soft and interface pads means all sanding situations have a sanding solution. When paired up with the correct abrasive, brings a perfect surface finish. Sandpaper costs can blow out with ineffective sanding systems, and this cost will far outweigh the initial investment of the tool purchase. The multi-jet stream extraction system not only extracts harmful dust from the work area, but can also reduce consumable use by up to 30%, while giving you all the benefits of working quicker and safer with dust extraction. So the ETS 150 sanders keep you safe with intelligent technology, give you the flexibility with sanding system solutions, and reduce costs with effective jet stream extraction.